Happy Friday, scholars. So let's go ahead and look at what we need to do for Friday. So you need to make sure this is completed, this section's completed, this one's completed. All of this is completed. Make sure you answer that central idea. It kind of pops up at the bottom. Make sure your first response is done. Make sure this page is done. And let's move on to answering the central idea about the penguins that we were learning about. So the first one was about the Galapagos. What is our second central idea? And we can put that it is about how penguins are adapting to climate change. You can choose different wording, you can make up your own, but this is just an example of what I want for the central idea. When you're done, you're going to go to the short response. You're going to annotate the prompt. Our response is, how are cold water and warm water penguins the same and how are they different? So you need to tell me, how are they the same? 2 facts. How are they different? 2 facts. Start annotating and then give a race response. You're probably going to have to do a little bit of a double and first tell me, how are they the same in cold? Give me a race response for that. And then how are they different? Give me a race response for that. Like, how do they survive or how do they live in warm water and how do they live in cold water, the same and different? And then that is all you need to do and start your race response. So, how are they the same? 2 facts. And how are they different? 2 facts. So, how are they the same? Both eat food. That's an example. And then give me another one. And how are they different? They eat different types of animals. And then you can get more specific and you can use this box to make how much annotating you need. So if you need to space it out more, go ahead and utilize it. And then you can go into your race response down here. So how are cold and warm water penguins the same? I would just start off by just answering the cold water part first, and then I would go in and answer the warm part next. So I'm just going to focus on the cold water part. So cold water penguins and warm water penguins are the same in many ways. And then I would start talking about and answer the prompt. So this one, I did your R for you. Now you need to do your A, C, and E. And you might have to do another race response in regards to how are they different to make sure you hit both points. So you can say cold water penguins and warm water penguins are the same in many ways because, and you can go in that way. And you can do your answer that way. And then answer it. If you need help with C, I like to use this sentence starter according to the text. And then keep going. And then E, this information tells me that. And what did you learn? Tell me, what was this information? How did this one help you? So this information tells me that penguins can live in both warm and cold climates. And if you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Utilize their office hours again. And if you need help, you can always click on the video to watch again to get more facts. or you can keep reading again about the Galapagos penguins. All right, make sure you turn this in by Friday. Thank you, scholars. Bye.